Hi, it's Emily. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's video, I created this really quick and easy springtime yellow makeup look, and I only used 3 shadows to create this look. This is probably the 4th time that I've worn this. I just really like how brightening it is to the eyes and how it just draws a lot of attention to the eyes, and it just makes my blue eyes pop. And I always do get a lot of compliments as well when I wear this look, and so I decided to create a video tutorial on this today. I know yellow can be scary for people sometimes, and I'm the personal believer that everyone has their shade of yellow. It's just about finding it. And for a couple years, I felt like I couldn't wear any yellow, but once I found the shade that was right for me, I started buying it in clothing, I started wearing it on my eyes, and it just makes me so happy to wear, so I really encourage you to find that if you're interested in it. But if you're not comfortable wearing yellow, you can always just do the same makeup look, just switch it out for a different shade. So you can do brown or blue or red and just use the same techniques. So if you like this makeup look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the look. So I always like to start off by priming my eyelids, and I really like using the MAC Painterly Paint Pot because it helps cancel out all the veins in my eyes, so that's what I'll be using today. I'm just going to go straight into the yellow and start packing that on my lid, and for that I'll be using the Cosette Shadow and Sun Up. You don't have to use the same yellow shadow as me, you can always use another one, just make sure it's really well pigmented. I'm then going to be taking a fluffier brush in the same yellow shade, and I'm going to start going into the crease and blending out the color to just make it more soft and blown out. I'm then going to be taking the same yellow again with a tinier smudge brush and just running that under the lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking a little bit of Zen from Cosette and putting that under the brow bone just to brighten it up. Next, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Becca's highlighter and Pearl and spraying that with a little bit of setting spray and then putting that in the center of my lid. I like doing this step because I feel like it helps make the eye have a more rounded look as well as adding more shine and dimension. I'm then going to use the same highlighter for the inner corner. Then for lips today, I decided to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this makeup look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below of what type of makeup looks you want to see me do next. Also subscribe if you haven't joined already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!